Hello, today we will guide you through how to change account type in QuickBooks Online. Changing an account's type determines where its balance appears on key reports like the balance sheet and profit and loss, so it's worth taking a moment to do it carefully. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing into your company. Once you're in, look to the left navigation menu. Hover your mouse over Accounting to reveal its options, then choose Chart of Accounts. This is the complete list of all the accounts that organize your books. On the Chart of Accounts page, locate the account you want to update. You can scroll, use the search bar, or apply filters to find it faster. When you see the right account, move to the far right side of its row. Open the small drop-down arrow to reveal more actions, and select Edit. The Account Details window opens. Here you can change the account type. Click the Account Type menu to display the available categories. Choose the type that best reflects what this account represents in your business. Assets and liabilities for what you own and owe, equity for owner value, and income, expense, or cost of goods sold for day-to-day operations. Picking the correct type ensures your totals roll up to the right lines on financial statements. Depending on the account, QuickBooks may display a detail type and description. These help further classify the account on reports. While the focus here is the account type, take a quick look to confirm the detail still fits your selection. If the account is tied to special features like accounts receivable, accounts payable, or bank feeds, certain types may be restricted. In those cases, consider checking with your accountant before proceeding. Remember, changing the type can move historical balances to a different section of your reports, but it doesn't delete or change individual transactions. When you're confident in your choice, click Save. QuickBooks returns you to the Chart of Accounts and applies the change. You should now see the updated account type reflected in the Accounts row. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page and check again. That's it. You've successfully changed an account type in QuickBooks Online. If you ever need to revise it, you can repeat these steps and adjust as needed. Making sure each account is accurately typed will keep your reports clean, consistent, and far more useful for decision making.